सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page number 7, shloka number 7. एको द्रष्टासि सर्वस्य मुक्तः प्रायोऽसि सर्वदा अयमेव हि ते बन्धः द्रष्टारं पश्यसीतरम्. As long as a person is not able to identify himself as consciousness existence principle, the person's life is miserable. As long as person do not know his nature, that nature is existence consciousness principle, Sat Chit Ananda Swarupam, that is not known. Suppose the person's life is miserable, Shastra says. So when Janaka Maharaja asked for that knowledge, that is called moksha, to get that knowledge one has to get sufficient vairagyam. Whenever we listen vairagyam word, we take in a negative sense. Whenever we listen the word vairagyam, detachment, we take it in a negative sense. Negative sense means what? Vairagya means only for sannyasi. It is only for a person who has renounced everything. The detachment is not possible for a common person in the society. These words are impracticable. Detachment, renunciation or dispassion are synonyms. Vairagyam. These are all not possible for all householders at all. People come to conclusion, very much convinced. But you see here, the person who is asking the question is a grihastha. Janaka Maharaja is a grihastha. Very intelligent question is asking, how to develop vairagyam, how to develop detachment. Detachment with what? Detachment with attachment. Detach with what you have attached. With what you have attached? You have attached with the body, aham, and related relations, possessions. I am attached. My son. Once my son, I say, later who will come? My daughter-in-law. Then who will come? My grandson. So your attachment is chain, like a chain. It is like a chain increasing day by day. Naturally, our attachment also will increase. It's a distance, more and more it goes. It spreads, widens. Detachment means never have the idea that they all will give me peace and happiness. Never think that my husband is the source of happiness, my house is the source of happiness, my grandson is the source of happiness, my job is the source of happiness. Thinking like this is called attachment. Thinking like this in this pattern is called attachment. Ragaha. What is detachment? Detachment is that entertaining the thought, this house is not the source of happiness, it is only a support for me to give shelter. My happiness is not connected with the house. Similarly, my husband is not the source of happiness. He cannot. This is right thinking. My husband is the source of happiness is wrong thinking. My son is the source of happiness is a wrong thinking. I can love my son, I can care for my son, but my son will give peace and happiness if I think. That is the wrong notion. So I have to say, my son is a son, that's all. I have to grow, mature through emotions. My son, my husband, my family is a place, a locus for me to grow. They are not the source of happiness. Thinking like this, always remembering this is called Vairagyam. This is called Vairagyam. Don't think Vairagyam means something else. You can wear a colored dress, but never have attachment towards that. If just wearing white dress, you cannot say you are having Vairagyam. So I have attachment with white dress. I have attachment with kashaya dress. So attachment is a thing that which has to happen in the mind, not with objects. No object can occupy my mind. So Vairagya means what? Not having attachment is called Vairagya. Not having passion towards anything, thinking too much about house, thinking too much about husband, thinking too much about son, too much about daughter, too much about anything is called passion. Not having too much craving or thinking about anything is called dispassion. No, nothing can occupy my mind. That is called dispassion. So Janaka Maharaja asked for that dispassion. If you don't have that dispassion, mukti is not possible. So what Ashtavakra said, Tyaja Vishayan Tyaja Vishavat. What I am talking from past 5 minutes, he has kept in one word, Vishayan Vishavat Tyajan. Detach with the objects, never develop a passion towards them, use them, take care of them, never go behind them, never become slave to them. That is called Vishavat Tyaja, never become slave to them. Once you have that Vairagyam, slowly you come to know this Sattva Guna will increase day by day, then you come to know you are not having punya, papa, dharma, adharma, vilakshanaha. Dharma means punyam, in the 6th shloka I said, adharma means papa, that sukha born out of punya, that dukkha born out of papa. I told you, invisible sukha is punyam. Invisible sukha is punyam. Invisible dukkha is papam, sin. Visible punyam is sukham. Visible papam is dukkham. So whenever we are having dukkham, Whenever we have dukkham, what is that? You have to understand, my papa I am exhausting. My papa karma phalam I am exhausting. Whenever I am enjoying the pleasure, favorable situations, that time I have to remember my punya I am exhausting. My punya I am exhausting. Ashtavakra says, this punya, this papa, because of which sukha, dukkha comes, they are all belong to mind, manasani. That's not belong to you, the Atma, Sat, Chit, Atma. You are not that mind, they are all belong to the mind. Aham sukhi, aham dukkhi, the bhavana comes where? The mind. Therefore he said, manasani te vibho. Na kartasi na bhoktasi, you are neither doer nor enjoyer. You have never done the punya karma nor papa karma. You are the Atma, the body-mind complex. It has its own prarabdha that is going on. You are neither doer nor enjoyer really. Vyavaharika, Sarira, Manasu, they are unreal. You are thinking they are real. Vyavaharika, Shariram, Manas, you are taking as real. Because that you are taking them as real, their actions you are taking as your actions. Then what do you say? I am the doer. When the body, mind, sense organs experiencing, undergoing, you are telling, I am the enjoyer. I am the bhokta, I am the experiencer. Who is bhokta really? Mind, buddhi, sense organs, body, they are experiencing. It is just like when you sit in the train is moving, where you also move. It is a train movement or yours movement. But suppose you think, என்னமோ தலை சுத்துறது எனக்கு, ஐ எம் ஆடிண்டே இருக்கேன், என்னாச்சு எனக்குன்னா, உனக்கு என்ன ஆகலைப்பா, ஒன்றுமே ஆகலை, ட்ரெயின் மூவ் ஆகிட்டு இருக்க, அந்த ட்ரெயின் மூமெண்ட் இஸ் சூப்பர் இம்போஸ்ட் அப்பான் யூ, தேர்ஃபார் யூ ஆர் மூவிங் as it were. You are moving really, appearing as really. But you inside heart of the heart, you know that I am not moving. This movement of the body belongs to the train. Since I am in the train, therefore my body also moves. Anything happens in the train, it is not belong to me, because I am in the train. The one who is in the train is not the train. Train problems are not his problems. Train has got umpteen problems. We have complaint, but that problems are not my problems. I am just moving, shaking because of the train shaking. Similarly, the body train, mind, the goods engine madre, engine. It is making the body to function. Once the body is moving, body is doing actions, mind is thinking, and mind, sense organs are all functioning, immediately I, the consciousness, what am I doing? I am superimposing all of them upon me, and says what? I am bhokta, my son, my daughter, and deha abhimana I transfer to my son mamakara. Ida ahankara, adi mamakara. Aham karta iti ahankara, aham bhokta iti ahankara. Entire wrong notion we are living. Life, how is your life? Very nice, nice, full and full of ignorance. You are leading a life. Shastra looks at this person, so pity, no? Even anta agnanamla irkane, when Ashtavakra says, na karta, na bhokta. Then who you are? You are muktaha eva. You are ever free when you are in the body also. When you are embodied also, you are disembodied. When you are in embodied means you are in the body, you are available as Atman. At that time also I am sada sarvada muktaha. I am detached. I am not attached to that. What is the example? When you are dreaming, the waker is sleeping, he got the dream. The waker, one who is sleeping there, he is attached to the dream objects, really. Rain has come in the dream. That water come and make this person who is sleeping, the body wet. Fire accident in the dream. No, என்ன பேப்பரெல்லாம் படித்து ஒரே ஆக்சிடெண்ட் மயமாக படித்து கனவுல ஏதோ ஆக்சிடெண்ட்டு ஃபயர். தட் ஃபயர் கேன் பேர்ன் திஸ் பாடி, த ஒன் ஹூ இஸ் ஸ்லீப்பிங். வேர் இஸ் த ட்ரீம்? ட்ரீம் இஸ் விதின் ஹிம். அட் த சேம் டைம் it is not touching. He is muktaha. From what? Dream fire, dream rain. He is muktaha. Muktaha or not? Like that, now here itself, I the Turiya Atma am not touched by the body defects. Atrupti, bandha, dukkha, all these are only belong to the body, mind not belong to me. They cannot touch me. Sarvada, that is called Sarvada, Muktaha. Then 7th sloka he says, Ekaha drashta asi. You are the one seer. Drashta means experiencer, the seer. Of what? Sarvasya, of everything. Sarvasya Tvam ekaha drashta. You are the one seer of everything, experiencer of everything. Muktaha prayaha asi sarvada. You are as good as muktaha. Now itself you are muktaha, he says. Mukta prayaha. Ippo kuda nee muktanda. You are already mukta only. Sarvada, all the time. That is why it is called Siddha Mukti. It is not Sadhyam, it is Siddham. But I do not know that. Even though being as a Siddha Muktaha, I am now here itself. While writing Ashtavakra notes, the teacher says you are Muktaha. Yes, you are Muktaha. I am writing. While writing also I am a Muktaha. But I do not know that. What Shastra says, Guru says, reminding that you are already muktaha. That's what he says. Sarvada muktaha asi. You are all the time muktaha eva, but you are thinking you are baddhaha. For that I used to give an example. Long before I gave an example, another example, same example I will recollect here. In the Guru Ashrama, when a Sishya everyday duty is to take the cattle to the field. After grazing, he brings them to the shed, cow shed. After bringing them, he has to tie each cow. He has to tie every day, and every day morning he has to take. And when he is tying in the night, those days no light and all, no, ella irutta irukum. When he is tying, not one or two, Guru Ashramalo nariya irukum. So nearly over 30-40 cows. When he is tying, he has forgotten to tie the one cow in the iritla. But that cow went to its place. They are very intelligent. They know its exact place and take rest. And the cow went and sat. And this person didn't tie. He has forgotten to tie. Next day morning, when he want to untie them, and he is gone untying each cow and going. And when he went to that cow, particular cow, it is not tied yesterday night. Oh, he thought it, I forgot to tie this cow. And that cow is not getting up because he need not untie, because he didn't tie at all yesterday with the rope. Therefore, he need not untie it. Therefore, he is asking, get up, get up. Then நம்ம ஹாய் ஹாய்ன்னு சொல்லுவான் இல்லையா, அந்த மாதிரி சவுண்ட் பண்ணிட்டான். ஹாய் ஹாய்ன்னு பண்ணால் கூட இட் டிடன்ட் கெட் அப், அப்படியே சிட்டிங் and beating, not getting up, not moving from that place. Then he rushed to his guru, something happened to our cow, it is not moving at all, it is not getting up. Then what happened now? I didn't tie that cow yesterday night, that's why I didn't untie, but it is not getting up now. Then Guru said, you go there again and you act like you are untying. You go there near that cow and act as though you are untying, removing that rope. Then he went and exactly what Guru said he did. Appadi untie panna madri he acted. Udane immediately that cow got up and running. So it thought that I was tied. Rose padakam, no habit. It has got that vasana. That is called vasana. We are also having janma vasana. I am a tiny human being. I am bound. I am having dukkha. I have problems. I am a victimizer. World is victimizing me. People are exploiting me. I am having lot of problems. Enakku irukra problems yaarkume kedaiyadu. Like this. This is called vasana. Purva vasana. Imprints they call. Tendencies. When teacher says, Ashtavakra says, Sarvada Muktaha, Ashtavakra is Muktaha. Nammak eppudu mukti varuna. And people are working for moksha. I want to go to Swarga, I want to get moksha. Shastra says, hey, you are here now itself Muktaha. You need not go anywhere, you need not get anything. You are the substratum of the universe. You are the source. Shastra says, அசையவே மாட்டோம். இன்னொரு எக்ஸாம்பிளுக்கு ஞாபகப்படுத்தட்டுமா? The rat caught by that இந்த போன் இன்னும் தெரியுமோ, அந்த ரிப்ரிசன், அந்த எலி பிடிக்கிறதுக்காக ஒன்று இருக்கும் உடன். Then night will catch that and it will, throughout night it is inside only. And it struggles to come out and it bites that iron rods and all. Its mouth fully become blood and oozing, and it lost its whole strength throughout night. It knows that I am once for all, I am bound. Next day morning, nammalla periya victoria adu pudichinde we take out to a open place and we will open it. And once we keep it open, it has to come, rush out. It is not coming out. Yesterday night it was struggling to come out. Why can't it come out when I open it? And we have to push from the back. Hey, go out. And why? Yesterday it was struggling so much to rush out, but morning when I open, it is not going, even I push from the back. What is the reason, Anna? Vasana. One night, even 5 hours, it has got that notion, I am bound. I have no freedom at all. In future, I am bound. Even Guru says, go, you are Tattvamasi, and Guru is pushing. Nagarave matavana. பாவம் குருவுக்கு என்ன தெரியும் நம்மளை பாதை. நைட் எல்லாம் நான் எவ்வளோ ஸ்ட்ரகிள் பண்ணிட்டேன், ஜென்மாஸ்லேருந்து நான் ஸ்ட்ரகிள் பண்ணிட்டு வரேன். இப்போ தான் வீட்டில் கூட ஒரு ஃபைட்டு முடிச்சுட்டு வந்தேன். சும்மா சொல்கிறேன், ஜோக்கா, ஏதோ ஒரு ஃபைட்டு, something problem. After struggling this much, Guru comes and says, you are sarvada muktaha. Ashtavakra says that is a wrong notion. You have developed that vasana from many janmas. Come on, come out of that imprints, tendencies. Vasana is called tendency. Come out of it. How long you want to suffer? Is it suffering or not? See, that cow is not able to get up. If it won't get up, what will happen? Tell me. It cannot go out, it cannot graze the grass, it will die. Even the rat also, if it won't come out, no freedom, it will die without food. Similarly, we also like that. If I don't claim I am Brahman, I am Atman, think like a rat and cow mother. We also suffer. That is suffering. We are already suffering. That emptiness, voidness, limitation, fear. Mukhyama fear. Bhayam. Eduk in the bhayam? Because you do not know you are sarvada muktaha. Next line. Ayameva hi te bandhaha. Drashtaram pashyasi itaram. Suppose the person sees that seer. I am the experiencer, I am the sakshi, I am the drashta, seer number one. Here Drigdrishya Viveka we have to recollect. Drigdrishya Viveka I took long ago. When I see the world, my sense organs are seeing, behind that there is a mind. Mind is the seer. Through the sense organs it sees the world. World is object. Mind is the subject. I am seeing the world through the sense organs. When I am observing my mind, my மனசுக்குள்ள இருக்கிற குழப்பம் எல்லாம் எனக்கு தெரிகிறது, கன்ஃபியூஷன் எல்லாம் தெரிகிறது. I am the drashta of the mind. Mind becomes an object. When I see the external world, mind is the subject, world is object. When I see, look at the mind alone, my mental thoughts, and I am seeing, I am the witnesser of my mind. Mind becomes what? Object. I, the witness, Sakshi, witnesser, I am the subject. So, I, the subject, Sakshi, I am the seer of this mind, witnesser of this mind. So, mind can become an object at that time. Subject mind became object. Drashta mind became drishyam. Object and drishyam. Subject means drashta. Subject, drashta means seer, observer, experiencer, witnesser. Once I witness the mind, mind becomes the object, drishyam. So mind is playing two roles. From the world standpoint, mind is drashta, the subject, witnesser, seer, observer. Drashta. From the standpoint of Atma, the consciousness existence principle, I am the Sakshi of the mind. Mind becomes Drishyam. So mind is Drishyam also, Drashta also. This is first I am, when I am the seer of the mind, this seer is called Drashta number one. I am Drashta number one. Ever the drashta, never the drishyam. I am ever the drashta, never the drishyam. I am ever the seer, never the seen. I am the observer, ever, never observed. I, the Sakshi, first seer. Whereas the mind is not ever the seer, but it is sometimes seen also. Drishyam also. Seer number two, mind is not ever the seer or subject. It is subject also, it is object also. Drashta number two. It is drishyam also sometimes. When sometimes, all the time when it is looking at the world. Therefore, what you have to know, Drashta number one cannot perceive the world directly. Sakshat drashtum na shakyate ar Atma. Turiya Atma, the consciousness, existence, principle, I, the Nirgunam Brahman, cannot see the world directly without mind, sense organs. I have to go through this. Means I am seeing the world through the mind, buddhi, sense organs. I cannot see the world, interact with the world directly. I, the Atma, cannot interact with the world directly. I have to take the help of the seer number two, that is mind. That time mind becomes the priority when it is seeing the world. Then what happening here? And the mind, when I join, I am using the mind to see the world, I forget I am the seer number one. When I am playing through the mind, really mind is becoming seer status, mind is getting because of whom? Me, the seer one. But I forget I am the seer one, I take the seer number two as real mind. That's the problem. Mana eva manushyanam karanam bandha mokshayoho. Idi terinja manas is the cause for my moksha. If I do not know this, my mind alone is the cause for bondage. I am user of the mind. Tell me the username. And computer will ask, no? Give me your username. Username. What is my username? I am the Atma, I am the user. Of what? Mind. I have forgotten my username. Atma, Turiya Atma, I am the. I am using the mind. For what? To see the world. Why I am missing this fact? Because I am not focused to Shastra till today. From many years, I am not focused Janmas. Now only I am coming few years to the class. Analum puriyaliye, padichalum puriyaliye. One time, two times, three times, four times the teacher is hammering. Hammer panna, Ama Swamini, ippoda puriyardu. Seer number one, seer number two. Ever the drashta, world is never the drashta. World is ever the drishyam. Atma is ever the drashta. Mind is drishyam and drashta also. இப்போ நான் யார்? கண்ணு மூடி தியானம் பண்ணா, தியானம் பண்ணால் தான் தெரியும். இது புரிஞ்சுக்க வேண்டிய விஷயம். பாருங்க, அயமேவஹி தே பந்தஹா. Who do not know this fact, I am ever muktaha turiya atma, all the time. Whoever do not know, he is bound. Ayameva bandha. What is that? Drashtaram itaram pashyati. Drashta, who is the seer, observer, experiencer, he sees as differently. As differently in Drashta is Atma, consciousness, Chaitanyam Brahma, Drashta. But I am identifying with the mind Drashta. Mind Drashta can see that first Drashta, it cannot see, because mind is functioning because of that Atma, Sakshi. So I look at Brahman, Itaram Pasyasi, sees that Drashta number one as differently. When Swamini is talking about Drashta number one, you are Turiya Atma. Oh, Turiya Atma. And I am looking at that Atma as Itaram, separate, different. Yaro neighbor Madri. And taking mind as myself. Who is listening, Anna? I am listening. Who one is listening? Drashta number one or number two? What I have to say? I the Drashta number one, through the Drashta number two, I am listening to Ashtavakra Gita and the Chollanam. என்ன சொல்கிறோம்? ஐ ஆம் திரஷ்டா நம்பர் 2. என்ன தெரியும்? திரஷ்டானே தெரியாது, டூன்னு தெரியாது. ஐ ஆம் லிசனிங் டு த கிளாஸ் ஆஸ் ஏ பாடி மைண்ட் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ். இதுதான் அஜ்ஞானம். இதரம் பஷ்யசி திரஷ்டாரம் இதரம் பஷ்யசி. திரஷ்டா நம்பர் 1, just like moonlight. What we are talking is not moonlight. Moonlight is sunlight. When you are looking at the moonlight, you have to remember what? This brightness of the moon is not its own. It is because of sun. Can moon illumine the sun? Moon is illumined by sun. But we never remember. Purnami inaki, Purnami. எங்கே ஞாபகம் இருக்கிறது? அதே ஞாபகம் இல்லை. இந்த மனசோ தேவதா சந்திரமா கரெக்டாக இருக்க பாருங்க. ஆத்மா சூரியன், மனசோ தேவதா சந்திரமா. மனஸ் இஸ் லைக் எ மூன். It becomes enlivened by the sun like Atma. But when a mind is functioning, mind is thinking, mind is witnessing the perceiving the external world, I forget that mind is borrowing the sentiency from the sun like Atma. The mind moody. It is moody. You do not know anything. So what I have to say? Oh mind, you cannot see the world without me. The Sakshi Chaitanyam Brahma ani sollanum. இதுதான் ஃபேக்ட். கத்தினா கூட டீச்சர் 15 வருஷமா எங்கே இருக்கேன்னா அந்த கவு மாதிரி எங்கே இருக்கேன். அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மின்னு ரோர் பண்ண வேண்டாமோ? You are the best guru. If you say like this, what can remain? Ajnanam can just run away. அப்படி தானே சொல்லணும். சுவாமி எனக்கு என்ன ப்ராப்ளம் தெரியுமோ? அடா, ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் you can never stop. Atma is ever free from problems. Anatma, mind, body can never free from problems. Therefore what? அது ஒரு தமாஷா ட்ராமா. டிக்கெட் வாங்காமல் ட்ராமா கிடைக்கிறது உனக்கு. யுவர் லைஃப் இஸ் இட் செல்ஃப் இஸ் அ ட்ராமா. வை கான்ட் யூ சீ லைக் தட்? என்ன நல்லா சொல்கிறேன் அழகா மேடலை உட்கார்ந்து. அதுதான் கரெக்ட். சீரியல் மாதிரி பார்க்க கற்றுக்கணும். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா நம்பர் 8. அஹம் கர்த்தேத்யஹம் மான महाकृष्णाहिदंशितः नाहं कर्तेति विश्वासामृतं पीत्वा सुखी भव. नाहं कर्तेति विश्वासामृतं पीत्वा सुखी भव. Further, Ashtavakra says, aham karta iti aham mana. Once I identify myself, I am the doer. As a father, I am taking care of my children. As a mother, I am taking care of my children. As a husband, I am taking care of whole family. As a son, I am serving my father. I am doer. Like that, I am an employee, I am an engineer, I am a doctor. Like that, I am doing so many things and telling others also. எவ்வளோ பண்ணிண்டிருக்கேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கோம் இல்லையோ? I am doing. Karta iti aham mana. Mana means when I consider with that identity, I am the doer. Karta iti aham mana. What it is like, if whenever you say I am the doer, I am serving my teacher, adi kuda ahankaranda. Aham mana. Aham karta iti aham mana. When I consider, when I think I am the doer, serving to my father, serving to my teacher, serving to the society. I am the doer, I am the doer. Says means you are bitten by the black great cobra. Ashtavakra says. Whenever you say like that, it is like a person bitten by Maha Krishna Ahi. Maha anna great, Krishna anna snake, black, Ahi anna palm. Periya நாகு பாம்பு. அந்த பாம்பு if it bitten by the person bitten by that, how much suffering he is undergoing, எவ்வளவு பெயின் இருக்கும், unimaginable. The suffering is tremendous. Once a person, not ordinary snow, அதுதான் சொல்றார் மகா கிருஷ்ண அஹி என்னார். And the cobra ahi என்ன பாம்பு, and that black cobra poison is more dangerous. Life is in danger in artham. Ashtavakra says, just as a person is bitten by the black cobra, how much suffering is there, that much suffering a person has to undergo whenever he is having this abhimana. Every person's suffering karanam, bitten by kala sarpa, that is called aham, I am the doer, I am the doer. I am bringing up my all family members. Pochi, you are bitten by Krishna Sarpam. That means your suffering will begin. That's why he gives examples everywhere. இல்லைன்னு எப்படி தெரியும் நமக்கு, அவனுடைய பெயின் எப்படியோ இவனுடைய பெயின் அப்படின்னா புரியுறதா? அது கூட பரவாயில்ல சுவாமின்னு, இது ஃபேமிலி ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கோ இங்கேருந்து ஓடியே போனவன்னு தோணுவேன்னா, தலை பிடிச்சின்னு எங்கேயோ அது ஓடி போனவன். அது மாதிரி sometimes we say in the problems also, okay Swamini, if anybody says any one word and I cannot withstand, ஆமாம் ஏன்னா அபிமானம், ரொம்ப அபிமானம். நான் இவ்வளோ பண்ணியிருக்கேன் மாமியாருக்கு, ஒரு நாள் ஆகுது எவ்வளோ பண்ணியிருக்கேன் மாமியாருக்கு மாமனாருக்கு, இன்னைக்கு பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கா, ஒரு நாள் ஆகுது. என்னது? பிட்டன் பை மகா கிருஷ்ண அஹி. ஏன் அந்த குழப்பம் எதுக்கு, அந்த சஃபரிங் எதுக்கு? தட் பர்சன் cheated me. Why that suffering? I am the doer. I have done so much to that person. He has cheated me. I have done so much to that person. He is bitten. Your ahankara is biting you. நம்முடைய எல்லா துக்கத்துக்கு காரணம் நம்முடைய அகங்கர்த்தா இது அபிமானம். விடமாட்டோமே. ஏன் அயம் கர்த்தா வருது? பிகாஸ் ஐ ஆம் பாடி. அகங்கார லீட்ஸ் டு மமகார. அகம் கர்த்தா பாவனா லீட்ஸ் டு மமகார upon everything. See, such a words he is using. See, Naham karta iti vishwasa amrutam pitva sukhi bhava. Once you are bitten by that poison called aham karta, what is the way out? You drink nectar. Poison opposite is what? Nectar. Amrutam pitva. Drink nectar. Drink nectar pitva sukhi bhava. Enjoy. How to drink that? Naham karta. Say immediately. Naham karta. I am not the doer. I am not doing. I am not bringing up my children. And abhimana vidu. Panninde iru. But I am not the doer. Because Bhagavan is performing through me. Who am I to do? நான் தான் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். யாராவது கொஞ்சம் யூ ஆர் டூயிங் நைஸ்லின்னு சொன்னால், ஏற்கனவே கொஞ்சம் யாராவது நல்லா பண்ணுறான்னா, பார் நான் தான் பண்ணுறேன் போச்சு ஆனதான். நெக்ஸ்ட் டே தேசு நீ நல்லாவே பண்ணலன்னா கோபம் வந்துடும். நேற்று அபிமானம், இன்னைக்கு கோபம். இதுதான் நம்மளோட லைஃப், டாஸிங் ஆல் த டைம். திஸ் இஸ் த ப்ராப்ளம். So therefore remember, our pain always is because of our understanding about ourselves. not others at all. Nobody is cause for my suffering, mental agony. I am only the responsible person. Naham karta iti vishvasa. Once you are confident, I am not the karta, I am not the body mind, I am the user of the body mind interacting with the world. I am Turiya Atma. This is matter, Jadam, 5 elements combination. This is doing, I am using instrument. How can I be the karta? I am Atma. World, objects, sense organs interacting. Vishayaha, Vishayeshu, Sambandha, not me. This thought I have to entertain. That is called Amritam. Pitva Sukhi Bhava. Next shloka. Eko Vishuddha Bodhoham. Eko Vishuddha Bodhoham. Iti Nischayavannhinam. Prajvalya Jnana Gahanam. Vita Shoka Sukhi Bhava. Generally, in marriage, any functions, anybody does namaskara, Sukhi Bhava, Sukhi Bhava, Cholo. Enna Sukhi Bhava, Nama Chonnalu, on next day, Kalyanam Archi, Pona, Sukhama, Kalyanam Archi, Sukhame, Pochian. Nama Chonna Sukhi Bhava, Ashirvada Enge Pochana. Adella tutu. It is not true. But whereas Ashtavakra saying Sukhi Bhava, may you enjoy, may you be happy, Sukhi Bhavan cholrare. Idi nijamana Sukhi Bhavam. Okay. What he says, Ekaha Vishuddhaha Bodhaha Aham iti. I am one non-dual. Vishuddhaha means pure. Bodhaha means consciousness. Shuddha Atma Aham Asmi. I am pure consciousness. Non-dual. Ekaha. One consciousness. Adukur consciousness kadiyadu. Ennoda conscious Vishuddha Swamini. Avanude conscious matram. Avanude conscious illa adu. Adu ahankaram. You are talking from ahankara drishti. You are talking from another ahankara drishti. Shuddha consciousness Chaitanyamlo ennuppame ashuddham kadiyadu. So when I recognize everyone's Atma consciousness is myself, Ekaha. When I look at everyone differently, that is from Ahankara standpoints. From Atma standpoints, I, the consciousness, am one. Therefore, Ekaha, Vishuddhaha, pure, Bodhaha, Chaitanya Swarupam, consciousness, Aham iti, I am that, iti, Nischaya, with that fire, Vanhina, with that fire, and the Nischayam, and the decision, and the conviction. Adi varana. Ama, Swamini Chollurukayaniki, Nanu Ekaha, Vishuddhaha, Avaram, Bodhaha, Adella Varkvahad, Enna Varkahana, Nischayaha. I am convinced with that, true, that is true to me. It is not an information, it is a fact for me. Nischayaha. That is fire, Jnanagni. Jnanagni, Dagdha Karmanam, Bhasmasat Kurute Arjuna and Madri. That with that fire, what you have to do? Next line he says, hold on to that fire of knowledge. I am Ekaha, Vishuddhaha, Bodha Swarupam, I am, Aham Brahmasmi. With that fire, what you have to do? Don't burn trains and all. Okay. You have to Prajvalya Ajnanam Dahanam. You have to burn the forest like Ajnanam. In the fire, you have to burn the forest. What forest? Ajnanamangara forest. Your Ajnana is the cause for all problems. Your Jnanam is the solution for all problems. Okay. Prajvalya Ajnana Gahana. Gahana on a forest. Ajnana Gahana means The ignorance which is like a forest. In forest, when you go inside, you do not know where to go. No, you are very much confused. You cannot know the directions. Similarly, when you are in ajnana, ignorance, you do not know what is exactly. And you are going behind anatma, body, mind, and its relations. The entire universe, all people are under problems because of this ajnana. Therefore, he says, prajvalya ajnana gahanam. You have to burn that ajnana forest, which is deep. Gahana on a deep forest. Forest is deep only. Nama garden madre irko. Forest is so deep. Your ajnanam, forest avadu paravala. Ajnanam, innum deepest. Burnt it through jnana fire. What jnanam? Aham vishuddhaha, ekaha, bodhaha. Then what? Vigata shokaha, sukhi bhava. May you be free from sorrow once for all. Vigata, vita shokaha means vigata shokaha yasmat. From whom the shoka has gone. So what is your name? Vita shokaha. I am the one who is free from sorrow. Vita shokaha. What is your name? My name is Vijaya. My name is Lakshmi. அது வெளியில் சொல்லிருக்கிறதுக்கு உள்ளுக்குள்ள என்ன சொல்லணும்? I am Vita shokaha, I am Vita shokaha சொல்லணும். I am free from sorrow. Fake it and make it. Vita shokaha. Once I say I am free from sorrow, sukhi bhava. Sukhi bhava. May you enjoy. May you be happy. Next shloka. Yatra vishwamidam bhati kalpitam rajju sarpavat ananda paramanandaha sabodhastvam sukhim chara dhastvam sukham chara. Now is a sukham chara. May you lead a happy life. Evada bless பண்றாரு பாருங்க. Sukham chara. How na? Tvam bodhaha. Ananda paramanandaha saha bodhaha tvam. Ashtavakra says, oh Janaka, you are tvam, you are what? You are Ananda, Paramananda. You are the happiness. You are the substratum of happiness. You are the supreme happiness. Saha Bodhaha. You are that consciousness. Sukham Chara. May you live happily. Then what about this world? This world is problematic. No? That world is nothing but, see, look into the first sloka. Vishwam idam kalpitam bhati. This whole world, universe is bhati, is appearance. Shining, and bhati means appearance. Idam vishwam bhati. This world, idam anna this. Vishwam, universe. Bhati, appears. Yatra, where this universe is appearing to you, it is like a snake appearing upon the rope. The world you are seeing in front of you is nothing like a snake you are seeing upon the rope. There is no snake. Therefore, there is no world. Rajju sarpavat kalpitam. Rajju sarpavat. Rajju sarpanna, our rope snake. The snake is kalpitam, superimposed. Like sarpavat, like the snake superimposed upon the rope. Idam Vishwam, this world is superimposed upon that Brahman, Bodhaha, consciousness. That Paramananda Swarupam, it is superimposed. That is, you are. Tvam, that means You, the consciousness, upon you this entire universe is superimposed. There is no snake at all. Therefore, there is no world at all. What is there when you are seeing the snake upon the rope? Exactly what you are seeing, snake or rope? Rope. But what is your understanding? Snake. It is right or wrong? Wrong. It is kalpitam, superimposed, adhyaropa. Because of what? Manda andhakara, twilight, dim light. Because of that only I saw that snake upon the rope, even though it is not there. Patala pakatame, but what happens next consequence is what when I see the snake? Because I do not know it is a rope, I take it as a real. I want to run away. I have got fear, tremors, sweating, and I want to run away. I am frightened. Similarly, if you do not know upon you the consciousness, Chaitanyam, Brahma, this whole world is superimposed, you do not know, you will run away from this world. You try to run away from this world, you are frightened of Mamiyar. You are frightened of your boss. You are frightened of even everything in the world. Even mosquito. One mosquito in the net, I am frightened of. என்ன பண்ணுறது? இதுதான் நம்முடைய கதை இல்லை, அக்ஞானி கதை என. அப்புறம் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோக். ஸோ எத்திர விஸ்வமிதம் பாதி ரஜ்ஜுவத் தத் ரஜ்ஜு சர்ப்பவத் தத் கல்பிதம். கல்பிதம் சூப்பர் இம்போஸ்ட் அப்பான் வாட்? அப்பான் யூ. வாட் டைப் ஆஃப் யூ? யூ ஆர் போதஹா, யூ ஆர் கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ், பரமானந்தஹா, யூ ஆர் சுப்ரீம் ஆனந்த ஸ்வரூபம், சச்சித் ஆனந்த ஸ்வரூபம். அது தெரியாமல் யூ ஆர் த சப்ஸ்ட்ராட்டம், யூ டு நாட் நோ. ஒன்ஸ் I forget my real nature. Rajju Ajnanam is the cause for Sarpa Bhranti. Once I miss the Sarpa, I miss the rope, Sarpa Jnanam comes. Sarpa Jnanam leads to problems. Once I know my real nature, Atma Ajnanam eva dukkhasya karanam. ஆத்ம ஜானம் ஏவ சுக காரணம் பவதி. ஸோ இப்போ எனக்கு துக்கம் இருக்கு என்ன அர்த்தம் தெரியுமோ? துக்கம், ஐ எம் கொஞ்சம் பெயின் சுவாமி, ப்ராப்ளம் வந்ததா, அஜ்ஞானம் இருக்குன்னு அர்த்தம். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா, ஸ்லோகா நம்பர் 11. मुक्ताभिमानी मुक्तो हि बद्धो बद्धाभिमान्यपि किं वदन्तीह सत्येयं यामतिः सा गतिर्भवेत्. Ashtavakra says, see, as you think, so you become. I am a samsari, I am an ordinary wife, you struggle. I am a Brahman, you become a Brahman. Become within inverted commas. So, fake it and make it. Yamatihi sagatihi. Yadrishi bhavana yasya siddhir bhavati tadrishi. So, what you think, so you become. Our people say, no? Yamatihi, as you think about you, so you become. I am tensed, and you are tensed. You are the one who is the substratum of past tense, present tense, future tense. Adi vittiti, I am tensed and solriye. I am the substratum of past tense, present tense, future tense. All tenses are within me. I am not tensed. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ